Rahim. My name is Rabia and my qualification is MPhil Mathematics. I welcome all of you here in this beautiful gathering with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Let me share the purpose of our gathering today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have been discussing a topic, my city, Narwal. Specifically, we will be discuss about its positive aspects and more importantly, the challenges we face along potential solutions to overcome them. First of all, I will give you the outline of my presentation. I have divided my presentation in 3 parts. In the first part, I will give you the brief introduction of my city. In the second part, I will tell you the positive aspects like facilities. In the third part, I would highlight some challenges we face. Well, my city name is Narwal, which is located in the northeast of Punjab, Pakistan, near the border with India. It is the capital of Narwal district and known for its agricultural lands, especially for rice and wheat production. It is peaceful and culturally rich city with simple and hardworking people. The city also has a growing education sectors and some modern healthcare facilities. Now, what are the facilities in my city? Narwal is a peaceful city with low crime rates. Their peoples are very friendly, helpful and respectful. There are several educational institutions like universities, colleges and public schools. Advanced medical facilities are also available in my city like DHQ Hospital, Sugna Shafi Medical Complex, Safina Hospitals and many others. New roads, water filtration plants and a park have improved the standard of living. National Sports System, National Sports City Narwal is one of the best sport complex in the country. There is also a Nodra office, a passport office and there is also a police station, a rescue department, a railway station and also a bus station. There is a big bazaar and some brand shops and many other facilities in my city. Now I would like to highlight some challenges that we face. There are limited jobs in my city, especially for youth and professionals. Industrial development is slow, leading to economic challenges. Some rural areas are still lack of clean water and proper sanitation. Public transport is not well developed in my city and advanced medical facilities are not easily available in every part of district and many young people move to other cities for education of better career opportunities. In my opinion, Narwal is a peaceful and beautiful city with great potential. It has made good progress in education, healthcare and infrastructures. But however, it still needs more development in job opportunities and industries. If the government and community work together, then Narwal can become the one of the best city in the Punjab. I really proud to belong such a city. That's all from my side. Thank you all. If you have any question, then feel free to ask me.
Who is responsible for bad traffic?
I think irresponsible drivers and traffic wardens and also citizens are responsible for bad traffic because they didn't obey rules of traffic.
Do you follow all the rules?
Not, but I will try to follow all the rules.
Follow the rules when they are riding their bikes. Does your husband follow the traffic rules?
No, he didn't. He doesn't and he does not use helmet.
Why?
Because he is not a good citizen.
Why he is not a good citizen? Suggest him,
Yes, I always suggest him.
and
Okay.
should he follow you
He should wear helmet. Must
on your instructions?
No, he did not follow my instructions.
We are facing medical related issues in our city. How we will tackle that issue?
In rural areas, we facing some medical facilities, and I suggest government should take steps, and they develop and more education. Healthcare departments in some rural areas, because when they are in emergency, they move to travel in big cities for big facilities.
So you also mentioned about the unemployment basically. So I want to know how we can overcome that issue in our city.
The government should take steps for this, for developing industries and some more educational institutions where not students learn education, but they also learn some skills.
So do you think the vocational training centers can take part to eradicate that issue?
Yes, I think.
Thank you.